This one starts on the offbeat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see your face, you better disappear. The fire's in their eyes and their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. You better run, you better do what you can. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can. So beat it, but you wanna be bad, just beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Show them how funky and strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it. Oh, hey everybody, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Beat It by Michael Jackson. That's a very cool song. I have transposed these 4 half steps down or 2 full tones down to make the riff kind of manageable and easier on the ukulele. So we'll be doing it in the key of C minor. The original is in E minor, so you can just put a capo on the 4th fret and play the same way that I'm about to show in this video. So high G string uke, grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Okay, so in my opinion, the trickiest thing of the whole song is that all the parts start on the offbeat. The riff starts on the offbeat before the first time, and then the verse, actually you start strumming on the offbeat after the first time. So this is a little bit tricky, but if you're conscious about it and if you count it, it starts slowly, I'm pretty sure that everybody can do it, right? So let's start with the riff, of course, because it's the most interesting thing. As a matter of notes, it is open C string and then grabbing C minor like this with the pointing finger on the 3rd fret, the C, E and A string. So we are playing the C string, then E string, the pinky here on the 6th fret, right? Then pulling down with the pinky, because all of these moves are supposed to happen very quickly, and if we can save a little bit of time from strumming, it will be perfect. So here with the right hand, basically I'm playing with the pointing finger, middle finger and ring finger, the C, E and A string. So open C, 3rd fret, C, E, A string 6th fret, then pulling down, all right? And then we grab the chord of B flat up here. Okay, this is the trickiest chord probably. We grab it like this, and then I remove the ring finger from here. So we are keeping the bar on the 5th fret, G string 5th fret, and then E string 6th fret. And then I'm playing the C and E string on the 4th and 6th fret. And actually I like to do this slide back. I don't know, it's not in the song, but I think it sounds pretty cool. So slowly, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. With a little bit of tempo, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And also, if you have a friend with 2nd ukulele, over this thing, somebody can do this. So what's that? C minor with the pinky here, 2 down strums with the pinky, then an up strum without the pinky, and then moving to B flat, 2 down strums, and then focusing mostly on the E string 6th fret, right? It will be easier if I have metronome. Actually, let's play the metronome, yes, because otherwise we're getting lost. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's add the other one. Definitely bonus points for playing with metronome, because this is a little bit tricky, and actually this was with the real tempo. It's better to start it slower. So the real tempo is 135 beats per minute. Maybe start at around 80 and little by little speed it up. In the helping materials for this tutorial that you can find in the link in the description, there is also interactive tabs with both these two ukuleles where you can slow down the tempo. Look what you're supposed to play on the screen. It will go with the tempo that you set, and together with your friend, if you're learning to play it, I think this is the best way to really learn it. So if you want to, check it out. But anyway, after that we go to the verse, where the strumming pattern goes something like, we go between C minor and B flat, but this time grabbed like this, all right? So we have 2 different types of B flat in this song, all right? And the strumming starts actually on the off beat after the first time. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay. And then we go to A flat, to B flat, and then C minor to B flat. Okay? This is the verse with a little bit of tempo. So let's start it. They told him, don't you ever come around here. Don't wanna see you face, you better disappear. A flat, the fire is in their eyes and their words are really clear. So beat it, just beat it. One more time, the same thing. Don't wanna see no blood, don't be a macho man. You wanna be tough, better do what you can to beat it. But you wanna be bad, just beat it. And here usually on the chorus is going this picking pattern. If the picking pattern is a little bit too complicated for you, you can just go between C minor and B flat, all right? 1, 2, 3, just beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Show them how funky and strong your fight is. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it. And if you want to do it with the pick, it will sound something like 1 and 2 and 3. So beat it, beat it. No one wants to be defeated. Show them how funky and strong is your fight. It doesn't matter who's wrong or right, just beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it. And then we have this part that actually is just C minor for a little while. Just beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it. Just beat it. Beat it, beat it, beat it. And then you start this thing. Well, it's definitely tricky to play this in the off beats as it's supposed to be. Honestly, I'm not really sure that I did it good. I'll figure it out while I'm editing. But yeah, it's definitely possible if you put enough time into it and if you really dig the song, because if you don't like it, it will never work out. Alright, so this is my tutorial for Beat It. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope it was helpful. I hope you learned with me, and if you did, we'll see each other on the next one.